Hello everyone. So with Matplotlib we can draw the bar chart also. So first of all this is import statement, and then using numpy array we have taken the data in x and y. Now plt dot, here you have to write the bar function or bar and bracket. So it will be x comma y, and then show function to display the chart. So control S and F5. So we are getting ABCD on x-axis and 0 2 for this on the y-axis, and this is the bar chart. And suppose you want to change the rows and columns like you want this bar chart in the horizontal form, then you can use only one minor change, bar H and control S, because you want horizontal, and F5. See, now it is coming something like this. Okay, then if you want you can give color also. For example, you want color to be red or something like this. Okay, control S and F5. See, it is coming color also. And suppose you want to give the width also. Okay, suppose for example width equal to, okay, and you want to give by default the width will be 0.8, and if you want you can give like for example 0.1 or something like this. Control S and F5. See, by default it is 0.8. Okay, and if your bar chart is in the horizontal mode, okay, then instead of width you have to write height. But that is for horizontal. See, okay, so that is actually all about the bar chart, like color, height, width, how to write everything. Thank you everyone.